Imagine this. You've just lost your job. The bills are mounting. There's no emergency fund and you've a family to feed. Your stomach sinks, your palms sweat. The fear of not knowing how you'll make ends meet. It's paralyzing. But what if I told you that even in this nightmare, there are ways to not just survive, but thrive? Stay with me because I'm about to share some actionable steps along with real stats and tools you can use today to regain control on your financial future. First, let's be real. Losing a job is one of the most stressful things you can experience, especially when you don't have a safety net. But here's the silver lining. You have more power than you realize. One of the quickest ways to bring in some cash? Side gigs. Did you know that according to a 2022 survey, 39% of Americans have picked up side gigs to supplement their income? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allows you to start offering freelance services immediately. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, marketer, or even good at customer service, there's something out there willing to pay for your skills. These platforms have millions of users. Upwork alone has over 18 million freelancers and 5 million clients. It's a massive marketplace where you can tap into paid work quickly. If freelancing isn't your thing, consider gig economy jobs like ride sharing. Companies like Uber and Lyft are perfect for those needing flexible, immediate income. Rideshare drivers can earn anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour, depending on your location. It's a quick way to start earning while you figure out your next move. According to Statista, the rideshare market is expected to reach $185 billion by 2026, which means there's plenty of demand and opportunity to earn. Now let's talk about a powerful tool that many people overlook. LinkedIn. It's just a place to browse jobs. It's a gold mine for networking with people in your industry. And here's a stat for you. 85% of jobs are filled through networking, not applications. That's right. People in high positions, decision makers, and influencers often prefer hiring through their network. Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Make sure your headline stands out, your experience is up to date, and your skills are clearly listed. But don't stop there. Reach out to people in your field, especially those in higher positions. Send a personalized message. Be direct about your situation and ask if they know of any openings or opportunities. You'd be surprised how many are willing to help if you approach them the right way. Now, without an emergency fund, things can feel like they're spiraling out of control. But here's the good news. Even without savings, you can create a survival plan. Start by cutting out non-essential expenses. Make a list of your must-haves, things like food, utilities, and housing. Then look for community resources such as food banks or temporary government assistance to help cover the basics. For instance, the Supplemental Nutritional Assistance Program, SNAP, helps millions of Americans in tough financial situations, providing up to $250 per person monthly for groceries. Take advantage of these resources while you focus on getting back on your feet. But here's something many people don't think about: routine. Yes, even in times of chaos, a simple daily routine can bring a sense of control and purpose. Schedule your time wisely. Dedicate part of your day to job hunting, another part to earning through side gigs, and don't forget to spend quality time with your family. Maintaining a routine can prevent you from spiraling into anxiety and depression, keeping you motivated and focused on what matters most. Speaking of mental health, did you know that financial stress is one of the leading causes of anxiety and depression in adults? Studies shown that 73% of Americans rank money as their first stressor. That's why it's crucial to take care of your mental well-being during these tough times. Make time for exercise, meditate, or even just talk to someone you trust. A healthy mind leads to better decision making, and that's what you need right now. Here's another statistics that should motivate you. 80% of freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork say they are able to make a living from freelancing. So don't overlook the potential of these platforms to sustain you in short term. And if you're thinking, I don't have the right skill, Don't worry, you can start small, offering services like virtual assistants, data entry, or simple design tasks. As you gain experience, you can scale up higher paying gigs. In tough times, community support can be a lifeline. Aside from government programs like unemployment benefits, local charities and non-profit organizations are there to help. Websites like needhelppayingbills.com can connect you to local resources, offering everything from food assistance to rent help. Don't be afraid to use these resources. They are designed for moments like this. But let me tell you this. The situation you're in right now, it's temporary. I know it feels like the end of the world, but it's not. Many people have gone through similar struggles and come out stronger. In fact, some use this as an opportunity to reassess their careers. Could you learn a new skill or pivot into a new industry? Online platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer affordable courses that can help you upskill while you're between jobs. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate small wins, whether it's landing a gig on Fiverr, connecting with someone new on LinkedIn, or even just surviving another day without losing hope. These small victories matter. They build momentum, and momentum is what will carry you through. So to recap, start with side gigs on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to bring in immediate cash. Tap into ride sharing with Uber or Lyft if possible. Optimize your LinkedIn profile and reach out on influential people in your network. Take advantage of community resources to meet your basic needs. And finally, never lose sight of the fact that this situation is temporary. Things will get better. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button.